Hello class, today we will be discussing base 10 blocks. Well, it will help you better understand place values by improving your skills in subtraction and addition. It will involve using regrouping and trading. As you will notice, there are marbles on your desk. We will have an activity afterwards that should be fun and exciting. On the board, I have some vital information for you. As you see, I have that 1 unit, because the terms in base 10 blocks are units, longs, flats, and blocks. 1 unit equals 1 long equals 10 units, and 1 flat equals 100 units, 1 block equals 1,000 units. So Johnny, in our fantasy world, Johnny has had a birthday party and he sent out invitations, but he forgot to say what color marbles he wants. And as you know, in our fantasy world, marbles are the new crave for kids. Blue is the least favorite. Then you have green, silver, and gold is the most top rated marble. So after his party, Johnny counted that he had 18 blue marbles, and today that will stand for units. He received 26 green marbles, and that will stand for long, and he has 15 silver flat marbles, which will be green. So he wants the golden gold marble, at least one. None of his friends have it, and it would be amazing if he was able to have one. So lucky him, he knows a store where he can trade in marbles for any color he likes. The most important one, like I stated earlier, is the gold. So on the board, I have some math we can do with our activities. So you have in front of you you have in front of you 18 blue marbles, 26 green, 15 silver. So as we learned earlier, we know that we can trade in 10 units, which would be 10 blue marbles for 1 long. So we can subtract 10 from the 18 and get 8. 1 from 20, and add 1 to 26 and get 27. So for right now, we know that Johnny has 15 silver marbles, 27 green, and 8 blue. But he still hasn't received his gold one. So we also know that if we subtract 20 long from 27, we can trade that in for 2 silver marbles. So we can subtract 20 from 27 and get 7, and add 2 to 15 and receive 17 flat. So does anyone know how many flats he can trade in, if he can possibly do that, and to receive that golden gold marble? Yes, Sarah, he can trade in 10 flats. So he would do what? Yes, subtract 10 from 17, and he will get 1 block, 7 flats, 7 long, and 8 units. So who can tell me how many marbles and what color does that equal? Yes, Christopher, that is 1 gold, 7 silver, 7 green, and 8 blue. Exactly. And you can do this with money. For instance, if someone gave you, if you wanted to go to the ice cream truck and someone said, yes, but you have to get it out of my change purse. Usually your grandmother would say that. And you count and you say, oh man, this won't be enough. My popsicle costs $2. And she says, well, count it out, son. And you count it out and you have 100 pennies and 4 quarters. You know that 100 pennies equals $1 and 4 quarters equals $1. And you know that you can go to that ice cream truck and buy something that's that maximum amount of $2. So do we have any questions? No questions? Does everyone understand? Is this a bit much information? No? Was it fun? Yes, you may take your marbles home, and with those marbles, you are to come up with a problem with your parents. Your parents can help, and you try to teach your parents what I've taught you. You don't have to know the exact lingo, but just get your parents involved, and I will pass out the homework, and it should be fun and exciting. You can use marbles, you can use candy. That'll be a good way to parents to buy you a pack of candy, or you can use anything you have at home. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Pack up your bags for your next class, and you have a great day.